Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SDK Vlogs. So this is gonna be my second vlog on the channel, and there's a reason why I'm making this vlog because I wanted to let you know, guys, the reason behind. I mean, I was inactive for so long on my channel, and I used to get so many messages asking if all was okay, and that was so sweet of you guys. So I thought you all should know the reason. I was actually not well, and for around 2 weeks, and I was hospitalized due to some serious stomach infection, which really took long to cure. And as soon as I got discharged from the hospital and my health was a bit stable and I was fit to fly, I decided to travel back to India with kids so that I could get some help here and could recover well and bounce back to the track soon. And here, this is the day when we were leaving, and we just reached the airport. It was our flight was at 2:30 in the afternoon, and by noon we were at the airport. And here we all are set to enter the airport, and a small capture of Mariam with her favorite, that's my brother, saying bye to him, and this is her saddy papa saying bye to us. The most difficult part at the airport was the waiting time. Not long, as we didn't really go much earlier, but then yes, there was some time for the boarding, so I decided to just get to the duty free and pick up some snacks or juices for kids. And here you can see Mariam super excited. Kids really don't know, like especially Mariam doesn't know where she's going. She's really going to miss her papa a lot, but then still you can see her super excited because she just know that we are going out, and kids are super excited whenever we go out. And here you can see my elder ones are busy shopping for themselves, and this Mariam is almost dancing around. She chose to pick some stuffs for herself, which I every time kept it back because she was with big packets of chocolates wherever she goes. And the most difficult part with these little ones is making them wear their masks and gloves all the time, which is really not possible with Mariam because every time I made sure she was wearing her mask, she used to just throw away. And but I just made sure I could wash her hands every time I got the chance. And here is the little Mariam shopping for herself. That's what she chose for her. That was Kinder chocolates. This is how it is with the kids, right? If we allow them, they'll really fill your trolleys with their favorite chocolates and candies. And here it was nearly 2 o'clock, and the boarding had started, and we left the duty free and moving towards the flight. It was already 2:15. But then things were very quick in the flight, and they made sure everyone was safe and the social distancing was there. And here is our flight waiting. That's our India Express. This was the kit what was already kept on our seats when we entered the flight. And we started with the flight already started moving on the runway with the exact time. 2:30 was the flight, and 2:30 sharp we were all set to fly. And here our kids, they were really super excited, and because they really were tired of staying at home in this pandemic, they just waited to reach to their grandparents. And in between all this excitement, only thing what was making them a little sad, that was that their papa wasn't flying with them, as this is going to be a little longer vacation, maybe till their next academic year. As there's no issues with the schooling and all, now everything is online, so kids can study from anywhere. So inshallah, hope to be back to UAE soon. And this is the way what I tried to capture when we were flying, taking off from UAE. It's all buildings and the seas, what you can see. The wave here in UAE when we take off or land, and in India, both are totally opposite, as it's all greenery here in India, and here in the video, as you can see, it's just the building and the sea. Maybe you can also see the Burj Khalifa, what I'm able to see. The tall building, just like number one, what we can see. And here it's already 15 minutes after the takeoff, and things were still visible. And here I was just trying to capture what we had in the kit. That was a face mask, face shield, and some sanitizers. This is Mariam. Poor thing, she was just so tired that even where she could finish before she could finish the chips, she just fell asleep on Ayan's lap. And here also I felt the blue. I mean, we were just the visibility was getting blurry, and we were more reaching near to the clouds maybe. Here at the maximum all over the flight, every time I tried to capture one another thing from the window. And also during the flight, you can say this vlog is all about my journey from UAE till I reached India, what I did in the flight, what we ate in the flight. It's everything in detail maybe. And here was my favorite orange, what I enjoyed during the flight. And kids all were, I mean, Ayan and Mariam were in the good sleep, and Ayan wanted Mariam to be in her lap, and that was helpful for me too. And I was with my club sandwich, which I carried to the airport for I mean during my flight, that kids would also enjoy it. And as the lunch would be very light in the flight, I made sure to carry some snacks and biscuits so that I can keep Mariam busy during the flight and she doesn't trouble me a lot. But Alhamdulillah, she had good sleep for 2 hours, which helped me a lot. And when she woke up after the sleep, I just made sure, because it was time for landing, and then I really didn't want her to cry with the ear pain what we usually feel during the landing time. So I made sure she kept munching on something, one or another thing. She always loved eating Oreo, so that's what I had carried, the Oreo minis. In between the clouds when you fly, that's the most beautiful part always during my flight. I make sure to be awake and enjoy this moment actually. And we were nearing, I mean, almost we are in India now, maybe, as we can see, and it was time for landing just before 5 minutes. And then here around 7:30 sharp time, we reached India, and this was the Mangalore Bajpayee Airport. And as it was night, I couldn't really capture anything while landing. And then I came home, we were so tired, and this was the next beautiful morning in India. So I think I should just shut my mouth so that you can hear some chirping of the birds. And I really hope you all loved the beautiful morning here. And also, I made you hear the raindrops. It was heavily raining. It was 7 in the morning, maybe, and it was raining heavily. And I just made sure to capture it. And this was my at my Mica. I was at my Mica here, and all day till afternoon, maybe the day I reached. I mean, the next day of what I reached, it was raining heavily, and then I made sure to enjoy every drop of the rain. And also in between, I had made a live session where I could talk to you guys and let you know. I mean, let you guys also enjoy the rain along with me. And this was a click which I tried. And then this was Mariam every morning. She made sure she was just on the stairs to stand and enjoy the, I mean, I can say maybe feel the nature like her mommy, because I love nature. And then I really am not a city girl, maybe, even though most of my years I have lived in UAE, but then still I don't know, I have a kind of attachment towards these kind of places. And here let me also introduce you to a new, cute, the most gorgeous member maybe. That's Fifi, but this is not mine, it's my cousin's cat. At her place, they just live near to us, and then I made sure to take kids there evening, and then we spent a lovely day there. As Mariam loves all these pets, as she never gets to see them there, as we don't have any pets at our home in UAE. But yes, once we land to India, it's cats everywhere, right? And we really didn't want to come back home, and then we made sure to stay back there. And then early morning we were out again with Fifi, spending some quality time maybe, and it was really nice. I love to spend time with these pets, and especially cats are my favorites. And here again, you can see the background. It's so calming, right? Morning, every like maybe when we just come out of the city life, this is what we can see. So some of my I was just trying to capture some flowers what were there in the their garden, and as I said, nature is just beautiful. And this was the pomegranate flower which I never saw before, and they were having this there, and then I made sure to capture that also. I know maybe for you guys, for those who are already in India, this vlog would be boring. I'm in this part where you often see these things, but for me it's my love. Like, I really love these things, and I love to spend my time here when we especially get a chance to live in an independent house than the apartment or a flat where I believe it's boring. And here kids made sure to enjoy every minute there. And here you can see Mariam is still in her night dress. As she woke up, she just came out and started playing here. She was enjoying, even though it was drizzling a little bit, but then I really thought it's okay, because really kids don't miss all these fun here what they don't get there in UAE. But in India, it's beautiful like this. Kids can play outside. They no more need any television or any gadget or a Wi-Fi connection, nothing. They were just busy playing in the cycle, playing with the pets and all. It's lovely to see, because even I have lived some of these kind of life in my childhood days, which I always thought that I felt sorry for my kids that they never got this. But this time in this vacation, as it's going to be a longer one, I will really make sure they enjoy every minute here. And I know this is funny, but then I was when I just came out in the evening, I could see opposite compound there were some monkeys running. I thought, let me also capture this one. So do not laugh there. And so let me end my vlog, I mean just with a few captures more. And this was Ayan's capture. I really wanted to add it here. The caterpillar, I really loved the click what he clicked. So I thought, let me also add this to my today's vlog. So here I end the vlog with this beautiful nature and the journey from UAE to India. I really hope you all like this. Do hit a like if you liked. And as I always say, your comments are always valuable. So do let me know in the comments below if you like the vlog or not. And as the pandemic is everywhere still, so please do take care. Stay at home maximum as much as possible, and take care, guys. I wish you all a good health. And bye-bye, ending this vlog. So soon see you back with another new recipe from India. So bye-bye, take care, guys. Thank you so much again for watching.